So what I say is like everyone is different, and I want to provide a program for everyone, for every single person with tinnitus, that, you know, people in the community and in the club, they come together and say, okay, my issues look a little bit like this, and then like we cluster it, and there's, okay, you have this issue, I also, and then, you know, we can see like, okay, where are the gaps? And then someone who's already been in there for longer says, okay, I've had the same issue 6 months ago, now you can do X, Y, Z. And then we have, obviously, we have a monthly topic every single month. So I have so much content from the last 3 years in there, like self-compassion, how neuroplasticity works. We once did a month of tinnitus and stoicism. What the Stoics already talked thousands of years about tinnitus. They already had tinnitus too. So we talked about how would a Stoic philosopher approach tinnitus. I have a great interview with Dr. Guy Meadows. He's one of the leading sleep scientists from the UK on acceptance and commitment therapy and tinnitus and insomnia. So trying to really build a resource hub for people from all over the world to say like, okay, we have this resource hub where everyone gets to see and assemble their own program in a way. It's a basic 3-month training for everyone, but then we have so many additional resources that people get to pick out for themselves. We recently reintroduced our buddy system as well.